So for Greyhounds Graphics, back in 2024, we've done these buses from previously when they got promoted to the Premiership. Unfortunately, they did come down last season, but back up again. So I obviously know that that's where they belong in the Premiership. And to get the call again by the club to use Greyhounds Graphics just goes to show that we've done the job right and we were their first go-to do it again.
Nothing like I've ever seen. It's just a thing of beauty.
So what does it take to be able to achieve this job from start to finish? I mean, the first things first is obviously being able to get the material quick enough. That's the one thing, because obviously we've only been told about this yesterday. We work extremely well with Ensign Bus and First Buses. They provide the buses for the project. And the other thing's team. The biggest thing for us is making sure we've got the right team. We've got an extremely good team here at Greyhounds. We only had to explain to them about the project and that it's going to be happening this weekend, and every single staff member, every fitter was straight on board with it. So yeah, thanks to the team, thanks for Ensign Bus and First Bus, and lastly Ipswich Town. Well done, guys.